In this study, we wanted to find out if there were any behavioral determinants to foreclosure or mortgage default, as opposed to the classic determinants related to credit scores, loan-to-value ratios, and debt-to-income ratios. This is an unprecedented time of record foreclosures, and so we tend to go to what we know. We tend to go to the factors that have been identified over time as being the ones that are most related to default and foreclosure, and the issues that lenders typically look for when they're trying to determine whether or not someone is creditworthy. And so we're thinking, if the default rates are so much higher than they have been in the past, maybe there's something else. Maybe there's something that has been missed by underwriters, by researchers in the past. And so one of the things throughout finance that has become a more popular explanation, or a more relevant explanation, frankly, is this behavioral component, that there's something in investors or borrowers or consumers' psyche or psychology that drives them to make certain decisions. We found two neighborhoods very close in proximity, incomes roughly the same, homes roughly the same, and there was one neighborhood that had 20–30% higher default probability than the other. And what we found is that when we categorize these neighborhoods by these lifestyle segmentation profiles, there is a different segmentation, LSP or lifestyle segmentation profile, between these two neighborhoods. This study shows that a borrower is more than just a credit score. There's much more to whether or not that borrower is going to default than what their credit score says. And that only gives you one piece of it, and that's kind of the rational side. They may have the ability to pay, but their behavioral side gives us a little more insight into their willingness to pay.